Welcome, today I am with Kia Sportage and I will show you how you can customize home screen shortcuts. So the first you have to go for the settings. Right now we have to go for the home screen. And when you are here we can adjust these three shortcuts. So if you want to change the position of them, you have to click, hold and then put it like that. If you want to, for example, get rid of one of them, for example the apps info, I'm going to replace with the media. You have to click, hold and then drag it like that, and when we go for one of it, there we got some kind of the green, for the orange notification. Let's replace apps info, so just pull it like that. I will show you again another time. If you want to get here the quick guide, click, hold, then drag it. Okay, let's make it another time. As you can see, it's not always works. Okay, right now it works. Bang. Here we can also scroll down because here we can find additional settings, additional shortcuts like voice memo. So let's make it another time. Click, hold, and then we can replace just like that. It's not that easy, but if you try it for a few times, you will get used to it, how to use this thing. So if you find this video helpful, remember to have a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.